this is what we do. This is how we fertilize our plants. So we, after we use the egg, we clean them out, and then we put them out in the sun to dry, and then we crush them up as fine as possible.
Pablo machine.
Pablo machine. We want to make sure that they're fine as possible because these give our plants calcium. A lot of calcium. I normally go in and go like this. Extremely fine. You can try it at home. Instead of throwing away the eggshell, rinse it out, put it in the sun to dry or put it down to dry, and put it at the plant root, or you mix it in the soil. Either way, it works perfect.
Mi paciencia.
Yeah, you have to have a lot of patience to get this fine enough. Because if it's not fine enough, then it makes no sense, you know. As you can see, the other plants that I have, I had some at the root, but I need to put some more because it dissolved into the earth. Well, we need to put some more here. Yeah, because the ones that I put it at the root, look at that. And in the lettuce as well. As you can see, I put it at the roots. As you can see there, it's at the root. Very fine, refined into the dirt. Want me help you? I used to sit on my bed and do this. When we start doing it, to sit on the bed and I just watch my movie and crush it and crush it and crush it and crush it until it's super fine. These are the onions. As you can see, the roots are pretty big. I'm going to be transplanting them soon. These are some sweet pepper seeds that I have. They need to be taken out because as you can see they're yellow. That means they're not getting enough nutrients. So I need to take all of these onions out. You can see they're coming along good. I clip the top just to get more better growth so that they don't leach over when so I cut them. And as soon as I get some more pots and some more potting mix, I'm going to transport them. These are some more lettuce that I sowed this morning. As you can see, one of the seeds are here. It's a blue seed. You can see this is potting mix that I use. As you can see, the soil very soft, very wet. That way the plants have enough water. As you can see, another seed right there. It's a blue seed. It's coated. Get that in the soil. Yeah, I want to cover that in the soil. He's still crushing. He's still crushing away. That's okay now. He seems to want to get it much more finer. Let me help. Let me help. And see guys, this is how I normally do mine. That way it's very takes patience to do planting, and you need a lot of patience. This taught me patience because you have to wait on the seed to come up. You have to wait until, you know. So it teaches you a lot of patience when it comes to planting and nature. Nature is so beautiful. Green trees, blue sky. Wow, nature is just make it really fine. I don't have to go and buy any form of fertilizer. I have fertilizer in my kitchen. From peeling, banana peelings, like if you eat a ripe banana, you can put it at the root of your plant. It helps with a lot of nutrients from other fruits. If I peel a sweet pepper, potato, and I have the skins, I put it at the root, and it helps a lot with the nutrients that the plant needs. Remember, the plant is not outside, you know, it's in a bag on my balcony, so I have to ensure that it gets enough nutrients as it needs, because it is essential for growth. You can see it's very, very fine. Like I said, you need patience to do this. A lot of patience. You can see. And for those who can do it in a blender if you have a lot, and it turn into powder and you put it at the root. Husband don't have film time now.
Feel good.
It feels relaxing, guys. Very, very relaxing.
You drop more, you put in la polvo.
Yeah, if you can make it into powder, they absorb more better. That's why we're doing it so fine, because that's why I'm saying you can use a blender, one liquidator, in when you have a lot of eggshells. I wouldn't put this in the blender, would have just be a waste of time. So if you have a whole lot of eggshells, I've seen it on countless videos. If you have a whole lot of eggshells, you can always blend it up. No put no water in there, you go blend it up by itself, just like that. Cause some people fool bad enough. They put water, don't put any water, you just blend it up by itself, and it's going to turn into powder, and you put it at the roots of the plant. You can see, very fine. He's not doing it good, he's just giving attention to the other stuff, the other onions. I need to transplant these onions, puppy. These onions are very, can last week. My finger is hurting me from crushing. We're going to reach our 10-minute threshold, and then we're going to be done. Once we're going to now apply. Tiempo for putting polvo. This is good. This is good. Now we're going to take this and apply it to the root of the plant. Very essential to growth, like I stated earlier. I want to put some at these roots because they look like only the lettuce I gave. Can see, right. Very essential. fruit. This is a daily routine because if I prepare egg on a daily basis, I just keep the shells. I don't throw them away. I use them like this for my plants. Very essential. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You can subscribe and like. Comment down below if you want to see more videos. And thank you again for watching my channel of Cassie Cooking and Gardening. Thank you guys for watching.